All right. Hey, everybody. Welcome to lesson one in Excel with Chelle. So in this brief lesson, what we're going to talk about is where you find your Excel shortcut and also how to navigate in this course because all of the modules are set up the exact same way. So I want to briefly go over how to find things and how to get around. So the first thing I want to talk about is where is your Excel shortcut? So you may find it here, like mine is, pinned to the taskbar on the bottom of your screen. It may also be, if you've created a shortcut, you'll find it on your desktop, and here are all the things that are on my desktop, and you'll see that I have a shortcut on my desktop as well. One other place that you can look is in programs. So you'll see I have it here, and I also could access it here in Microsoft 2016. So you may be using Microsoft 2010, Microsoft 2013. All of those versions will work. There may be some minor differences, but for the most part, you will be fine. All right. So the other place you can try is on your Start menu. Okay. If you right click and bring up your Start menu, you should be able to find it there. All right. So how do you navigate around in this course? Once you open up your Excel file, the first thing that you're going to see is this Welcome tab right here, and from there you will go to the course outline, which is the next tab. So I included this course outline because I wanted you to be able to get to the topic that you're looking for quickly. Initially, you're going to go through each of the topics in sequential order, okay? But after you've completed a module, you may need to find a topic quickly. Now you can do that by scrolling on the bottom and finding the lesson that you're looking for, or you can do this, which I think is the easier way and faster way, is to look through this list, okay, and let's say we wanted to brush up on our formatting cells. And so we just click the button and it automatically brings us to that lesson. Very simple, very easy. And once we've completed it, in order to get back to the course outline, I've included this button here. You just click on the button and it brings you right back. And again, let's just try one more. Okay, let's say we wanted to go to the practice sessions. Let's just click on that. We're at the practice session, and to go back to the course outline, just click on the button once again. Okay, so that is it, guys. That's it in a nutshell. As I mentioned, every single module is set up in the same exact way. I created it so that you would have ease in finding things and that it would be very efficient. All right, so that's it, guys. I will see you over in lesson 2.